What's up, my people? Today I want to teach you 3 songs that will transform you as a beginner. And once you know these 3 songs, you are good to go. So let's dive in. I'll be playing in the key of F sharp. So this is the scale of F sharp. So that was a scale of F sharp. As you can see, I'll be teaching you this in 3 major keys: F sharp, C sharp, and B. So if you want to learn more, you want to learn more about B, you want to learn more about C sharp, just watch this video to the end. I promise you will not regret this. So back to F sharp. This is the scale of F sharp is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. The fingering I'm using is my second finger, my middle finger, my fourth finger, my 1 finger, which is the thumb, my second finger, my third finger, my thumb, and back to the second finger. That is so that was the scale. So the number 1 song, there's a pattern. We are just to play 3 notes. I'll just play only 3 notes. In case you want to know, real quick, these are the chords, the major triads in F sharp. Do your 1 chord or your do is F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp is your do. This is 1, 2, 3. This is your do. Now your 2, or you can call it your re, is your G sharp, B, and D sharp is your re. Now your A sharp or B flat, your C sharp or D flat, and your F is your mi or your 3 chord. This is your 3 chords. Now your B, your D sharp, and your F sharp is your fa or your fourth chord. C sharp, F, and G sharp is your so or your 5th chord. Your D sharp, your F sharp, and your A sharp is your la or your 6th chord, and your F, G sharp, and B is your half diminished, or you can call it diminished, whatever. And back to your F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp, which is your do. So these are the those are the diatonic chords. So the first song you will learn in this tutorial is Jehovah. Instead of to do this chord like this or like this inversion, I will do it, I will invert it to this. It's the same thing as this. You get? So Jehovah, you are the most high. That's my do. You are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the. So that was F sharp for you. Second song is what I'm doing is major triad. This is your 4th chord. My God, how excellent is your name. Very simple, right? Oh Lord, reach that level. So what I was trying to do is give me you everything else. If you want me to give you full breakdown of this song, just comment. I want. So those are the songs. Now we'll go to C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C, and C sharp. This is the key scale of C sharp. So Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah. So that was C sharp. Let's go to B. I just want this video to be very short. If you have any question, ask me any question and I will try my best to reply. So this is a scale of B. This is B, C sharp minor, D sharp minor, E major, F sharp major, G sharp minor, A sharp diminished, and back to your one chord, which is B. So Jehovah. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask.